Hello everyone and welcome to another Substack tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to import subscribers in Substack. So let's say you are using a different CRM tool or a different service and you want to transfer your email list in Substack. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do is to log in Substack. Then you're going to go to dashboard. Here under dashboard, you are going to go to subscribers and you are going to click on the top right hand side, add subscribers. Now there are two ways to import subscribers, to add email addresses. One is to pretty much basically paste them here, comma separated. So one email address after another separated by comma. If you have the emails in a list, you can copy paste them in an AI tool and ask the AI tool to give you the list comma separated. The easiest way, however, is to upload an Excel file, either a CSV or an XLS file. In order to do that, you need to click here, choose file, and here you need to select the Excel file. Now, my recommendation is to upload the emails in a single column. So you're going to create an Excel file like this. You're going to have a single column. You're going to name it email or emails. You're going to have a list of all your emails. Then you're going to save this as an Excel file or a CSV file. And then you're going to click here. You're going to import just a single column Excel file. From there, Substack is going to go through an approval process. They may send you an email and they may ask for proof on how you acquired these emails. Then you will have to give them a screenshot from the other CRM platform and a screenshot of your website, how you acquired these subscribers, these email addresses. They're going to process the request and that's it. If it's successful, then they're going to import the emails in Substack and you can get going from there. That's it. That's all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.